Motormouth Jenkins here, welcoming you to our brand new YouTube channel. Hope that you'll come back and see every segment each and every week, and I will share preventative maintenance tips and regularly scheduled maintenance tips for your car. So whether you know a little bit about your car or absolutely nothing, this is the channel just for you, where I share over 35 years of experience as a qualified and licensed service technician with truck and coach, light truck and passenger vehicles. Come back and visit us and tell your friends, and we'll see you each and every week right here in the Car Connection Workshop on YouTube. Hey, welcome Car Connection friends. Thanks for stopping by. We got so much going on this summer with Car Connection and car shows and fundraising events and getting projects well underway. Well, we've brought the Rocket, the 99 Honda Civic DX 5-speed air conditioning, one owner, over to the staging lane where we're going to give it a wash, preliminary wash. The brake parts are here. The right front outer tie rod boot, or actually it's an inner tie rod boot. We did the driver's side last year. Of course, the other side goes. They're the same age. So I'm not going to bore you with another disc brake job, but she's going to get new pads, new rotors, and a inner tie rod boot on this side. If you want to see that, then put some information down in the comments. Put your comments down in the comment section and say, hey, we'd like to see how you do that, and I will include a video for that. So I'm going to buff out the headlights, going to give it a wash, buff the headlights out, do the front brakes complete, change the inner boot, then doors open, seats are coming out, headline, all the trim has to come out from front to back, and we'll show you what that looks like. I've got a headliner to go in, another rear view mirror because that one's a little sloppy loose. I've got seat belts to go in the back, and that's all out of a donated vehicle that, if you haven't watched the part 1 from the exact same car, same color, same year in the wrecking yard. So I got everything we needed. We got sun visors because the ones that were in there were completely baked. There was no material left on them. So we've got to get our work done. Then she's leaving to go to the detail shop, and you're going to get an opportunity to see my friend Ray at Ray's Detailing in Fort Erie. They're going to buff this baby back to new-like condition, and they're going to take care of the rest of the details and cleaning on the inside, so she's ready for the tuner car show on the 24th of August in Niagara Falls. So we'll keep you updated. Just wanted to give you a little update at this point. She's in the staging lanes, and the work begins. We have a little over 5 weeks to get her ready, and we're going to make it happen. So she's going to be all right. So thanks for stopping by. Not going to take up too much of your time. See us in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your comments down below in the video, and also hit the notification bell so that you're notified when our new videos come out every single week. So we'll keep you updated. Like, share, follow us on Facebook at Niall Motormouth Jenkins. Visit us on our website at carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com. And a reminder, our merch store is ready and will be available for you on our website. What's that? Right there. So all our merch is going to be available. We've got t-shirts, we've got polo shirts, we've got hoodies, we have toques or beanies, if you will, available for you. You get to pick the shirt color, your size, and order it and pay for it online. $5 from every merch item goes towards us being able to create the videos. We're not asking for a lot of money, just a little bit. And I want to keep the merchandise prices low so that you can afford to buy some really cool gear. And they're working on a special coffee mug for us as well. Something real nice, Clark. Real nice. So till next time, happy motoring, and we'd like to thank Rainbow Motors for bringing this week's video to you. Scarborough, Ontario, Canada. Rita and Ramiz, the brothers at Rainbow Motors and Garage. They have a small car lot there, so if you're looking for a vehicle specific, they have resources there as well. They do carry an inventory. They fix light truck passenger vehicles, so you can buy something there, get it fixed there. They do light commercial vehicles, but they fix all year makes and models. Honest repairs at honest prices. Rita and Ramiz Shanuda will take very good care of you at Rainbow Motors and Garage, Scarborough. Visit them on our website at carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com. See you in the next one. Well, thank you for stopping by the Car Connection Workshop right here on YouTube. Don't forget to come back and join us for another segment. So like, share, tag, and follow, and ding that bell so that you don't miss a single edition of Car Connection. So till next time, keep it under 100 and put the coffee on, because we're coming to your house.